Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update Realme UI and enable lock screen access so Glance can show images. Once done, open Settings, tap Home Screen and Lock Screen, then choose Glance. You do this because Glance integrates with system lock screen permissions. Without them, wallpapers won't apply. Next, sign in or confirm your Glance profile if prompted. This allows personalized content and synchronizes saved wallpapers. Now that permissions and account are ready, move directly to selecting or create. You now pick the actual wallpaper. Tap Catalog to browse curated Glance images or tap Upload to use your photo. Uploading lets you control content. When you choose an image, crop it to the recommended ratio, typically 9:16 for phones, to avoid unwanted cropping. Once cropped, use the preview to position focal points. This prevents faces or text from being cut off. Make sure Apply to Lock Screen is enabled so Glance replaces the current wallpaper. After previewing, proceed to Save and Set. You finish by tapping Save or Set as Glance wallpaper and confirming. This writes the image to the lock screen rotation. Once set, lock your phone to verify the new wallpaper appears. If it does not, reboot the device to refresh system services and make sure Glance has lock screen and storage permissions. If issues persist, clear the Glance app cache or data in Settings apps, then reapply the image. A common fix is re-signing into Glance. This resyncs content and often resolves update failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.